Hi everyone, I will talk about how to send personalized emails using Gmail, using the built-in mail merge tool. However, this will not work on personal Gmails. It will work on most company Gmails unless it's disabled by your IT admin. First, we need our data. Open a Google Sheet and make sure your first row has clear headers. For example, I will have name, email, and company. Once your list is ready, remember the name of this sheet, we'll need it in a second. Go to Gmail and hit Compose. Now look at the top right of the to line. See this little icon with two people? That's the mail merge button. If you don't have it, means it's not available in your Gmail. Click it and check the box. After you tick the mail merge, click on Add from a spreadsheet. A pop-up will appear, then choose your sheet that you just created. Next, you have to specify the email recipients. Under the email, choose the column with the name email from your sheet. Also, under the first name, specify the first name column. Don't worry about the company column, we can still use it later. The mandatory unsubscribe link appears at the bottom. This is great because it keeps your emails out of the spam folder. Now for the magic, instead of typing hi there, type add followed by your header name. As soon as you type the add symbol, Gmail pulls a list of your columns from the spreadsheet we just made. You can fill in the rest of the email. Don't hit send yet. Always click send preview. Gmail will send a single copy of the email to your inbox. Open it and check if the text worked. If it says hi at first name instead of hi John, your header name in the sheet does not match your tag. Fix it now before you email 200 people with a broken template. A few ground rules: you can send up to 1,500 emails a day if you are on a Workspace account. Also, currently, you can't put those add tags in the subject line, so keep your subject line professional but general. This is important for teachers, small business owners, or anyone tired of copy-pasting. That's all. Thank you. Subscribe.